Come into a comfortable seated position on a blanket or a cushion. Let your hands rest on your thighs. Draw a deep, cleansing breath into your belly and sigh it out. Once more, draw a breath down into your belly and let it out, feeling yourself drop into this moment, dropping into your practice. Notice where your body is in contact with the ground. Rock slightly side to side and sense the bowl of your pelvis. Now balance that bowl in the middle. Let the hips and the legs settle into the earth and allow your spine to effortlessly lengthen up out of the bowl of your pelvis. Relaxing all the muscles in your shoulders and your face, start to notice how you feel right now in your body. Pregnancy is a time of life when your body goes through almost daily changes. So take a moment to observe how you're feeling and to notice what you're feeling. In particular, notice if you can feel the baby. Some days, this will be a very physical experience of pressure or movement. But earlier on, it may be more energetic or emotional. Just a subtle awareness that there's somebody else here. And now finishing the circle you're on with your chin down to your chest. And let's lift the heart, lift the head, and now lift your shoulders and begin to circle your shoulders around to the back. Make big, juicy circles, as big and juicy as your shoulders will allow today. Rolling back, opening the heart. And now bring your hands together at your heart, interlace your fingers and press the palms up towards the ceiling. Let's add on to that little vinyasa that we did. Inhale, lift. Exhale, tuck and round your back. Inhale, lift up once again. And now exhale, lean over to the right. Placing your right hand on the ground, stretch your left arm up, long through that left side. Then inhale, sitting back up. Exhale, leaning over to the left. Stretching through the right. Let your spine start to become fluid and free. Let's inhale, sit up once again. Exhale, turning to your right. Place the left hand on your right knee, your right hand behind you. Gently twisting. Let the baby in the belly keep looking forward as you roll the right shoulder back. Inhale, sweep the arms out and up, coming back to the center. And exhale, turning to the left. Gently twisting, loosening up your back. Inhale, come back up into the center. Exhale, circle the hands around behind you, clasping to open the heart once again. Inhale, lift the chest. And then exhale, releasing to walk forward, folding out over the feet. And feel free to wiggle side to side here, snuggle your belly down. But be patient with your body, not rushing the depth of this forward bend. And walk the hands back in. And let's remove the blanket or the pillow and stretch the legs out in front of you. Now circle the ankles to get some energy flowing down into the feet once again. Feel the toes waking up. This action helps keep fluid evenly distributed through your legs, which can be especially important later in pregnancy if the feet swell. It also helps avoid calf cramps. Now bending your knees, lean back on your hands and place the feet a little wider than the hips. Begin to swivel the knees from side to side on the mat, rolling across your hips. As you massage your hip muscles against the floor, feel your lower back gently twisting, working out tension and stiffness. Also notice you are rocking the baby back and forth, so find a tempo that feels soothing to your nervous system. Your nervous system is inherently tied to the baby's nervous system right now. So find a tempo that feels calming and soothing to both of you. Rock back and forth several times. And now let's tuck the feet back and shift over onto the hands and knees into table position. Pause to unfold a blanket and place it across your mat underneath your knees. Place your hands underneath your shoulders and your knees underneath or slightly wider than your hips. Close your eyes and begin to circle your hips around. Let this be a gentle, personal exploration of the movements in your hips and spine. You can take this flowing motion up into the upper back and the neck if you want a little movement there. Let your spine get really fluid.